What's up, today? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis on GBP, JPY. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. As you can see, GBP, JPY on the lower time frame giving us a significant trading opportunity. Now, before we discuss how we can trade, let's look at the bigger picture to see the general direction in the market, and then we'll jump onto this lower time frame to see how we can trade GBP, JPY, looking at first of all monthly time frame to see overall picture in the market. Now from the monthly perspective, we see that GBP, JPY from this monthly resistance, there was a strong rejection to the downside. Now back after back to back 2 months a strong drop, this month we have seen that from this monthly resistance turning support, GJ created this narrower candle, which is in fact a retracement of this move to the upside. Now with this narrower candle, we see that GBP JPY in fact forming a typical head and shoulder pattern, signaling potential reversal, and we could see a deeper drop on the monthly perspective, at least to this previous support zone, which is previous resistance zone here, which is turning support on the monthly perspective. If we look at weekly time frame to see how the price action is forming, we see that from the weekly perspective, GJ creating a typical downtrending market structure. From this resistance level there is an impulse correction. Now again we saw that back to back another liquidity grab on the weekly created this another impulse. We see the same thing, the price grabbed liquidity with this doji and then created another impulse. Now as you can see, after this impulse correction, now we can expect another impulse and we can expect the price to create a new lower low, at least come back to this level of support on the weekly. That can give us a significant trading opportunity on the lower time frame. If we look at daily, we see that typical bearish price action. This is the daily resistance zone here. Now with that resistance, we see there is a resistance, strong liquidity zone, and after grabbing liquidity created a double top with a lower high on the right side. The price has strongly broken down, followed by we see back to back 2 days correction. Now if we take our Fibonacci for this move on the daily, we see that the price has been retraced 61.8% Fibonacci, penetrated this zone and then closed back below, completing a full Fibonacci level along with a daily 20 EMA retest, which is also retest of this daily support zone here. As you can see, there was a double top formation and then the price has broken down the neckline of this double top, support tested as a resistance with this daily 20 EMA. We have seen that there was a strong drop on the daily perspective. Now today, as soon as market open, we see that the price again pushing high. What you could potentially see, what I think that GBP JPY again might come back to this liquidity zone, and grabbing liquidity we might see that GBP JPY again dropping to the downside. So to find an entry opportunity, what I think that, as you can see, the price now pushing high around this zone where there is a daily 4-hour 20 EMA and also turning this support, turning resistance here. If we draw this level here, what we can expect GBP JPY to go ahead and test this zone. So along this zone, once we will find suitable bearish trading opportunity, bearish price action, we'll consider going short on GBP JPY with a high probability trade setup with our students. And if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also let us know in the comment section which way you are trading GJ. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.